there, my lovers and friends. I am back to give you an update video on one of my most popular uploads, which is the Slavania wig. I've gotten so many questions on how this wig is wearing and tearing. So before I get into it, y'all know what to do. Please subscribe. Sign up for notifications so you don't miss anything. And if you want to see how I rock my looks, then of course you need to follow me on Instagram. Alright, y'all, let's get into it. Hey there, lovers and friends. I am giving you an in-progress update. This is one of my most popular videos is the Slavania wig by Bobby Boss. It's been a few months since I've had her. I got her in a color number 4, which is really like, y'all already seen the video and know how I feel about it. I have not worn her in a few months, and I just keep getting all these comments about how she is faring. I will say that when I did have her, when I was wearing her, I was wearing her more fall and winter because she's a lot of hair, y'all. She's a lot of hair and body, so I don't know. And she's kind of a yaki texture. She's heavy. She's not physically heavy, but like she's a heavy wig, if you know what I'm saying. Like, she don't feel like she's weighing down your head, but like it's a heavy hair texture, you know what I'm saying? So given that, I haven't really reached with her because we kind of moved into spring, and today's actually like an 80-degree day, but I'm gonna wear her no matter what. So I decided to pull her back up to film this update. I applied her today with Ghost Blonde because it's an emergency. I applied her today with Ghost Blonde, and because I just didn't want to worry about reapplication. Once I put the wig on, put the wig on. As y'all know on my channel, if you're new here, welcome. But I wear my wigs, honey. Yes, I do. And by wearing my wigs, I do, if I apply them with like an adhesive, like a Ghost Bond or whatever, I don't remove them. I just sleep on the wig. So the time that I have worn it other than today has probably been a total of 14 to maybe 16 days, because I've worn it in iterations of like 1 week or 4 or 5 days at a time before like removing it from that perspective. So I wanted to break her out to give you all the update. There's some things I noticed this around, like it's definitely not pre-plucked, But you may have noticed that from the first video with the hairline, and it's a very boxy hairline from that perspective. So you really got to lay some baby hairs or something to kind of like debox this a bit, which I have not done because I just wanted to show you guys straight like how the hairline is. I did very light plucking because I kind of did like the Dominique thing, but I can still find my baby hairs that I had cut previously on this wig. A lot of folks is like, does she last? She started like the second round or the third round, she started to tangle, and I know I took some pictures of matting and tangling in the back, but it's really not that bad, to be honest with y'all. How she's lasting. Has there been shedding? Yeah, not a tremendous amount. I mean, like I said, this is a lot of hair, ladies. This is a lot of hair. Not a tremendous amount. What I'm really shocked about is, and I was watching, I believe her name is JoJo. She got the wig too in a couple of different colors, and she's had the wig for 60 days. She really wore it. She washed it and everything. And what I'm really shocked about is like how well this is kind of holding its body in curls. If I'm gonna link her video below because she really like, she also wears her wigs like I do. So she put it through a lot of testing. I'm really glad I have her in my collection. I just, you know, you all know that like I wanted it to be like a true number 4 and all of that. You do have to play with the hairline from that perspective, but you know, here's my update, y'all. Like, you know, maybe today I might do half up, half down. I don't know, probably not. I just like the body just like that. Parting is pretty good. The lace on Bobby Boss just continues to impress me. I told y'all I like that lace from the get-go. So I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna try and make this, you know, all that long, but I just wanted to come and give y'all the update, and we shall see you soon. Let me know if there are any more questions that I can tell y'all about this wig, okay? And stay tuned because I got some goodness coming up, so you want to hit the subscribe button. You don't want to miss it, okay? Lovers and friends, talk to you soon. Bye.